Like, we don't have time for this.
Yes, we do.
No, everybody needs to go back to work.
No, everybody appreciates it.
No.
Here, let me show you some stuff.
Third time? You know I'm gonna get it. No problem, I got this.
I wonder if Chris will be there. He's gonna lose this time.
Oh, he's gonna lose. It's mine.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm really worried about this one.
Are you gonna join the beer contest? He's not gonna win, all he has is a goatee. You only have full beers.
I don't know, man. I don't think Babe's gonna do it. Me and Tannis, we got this, right?
Maybe.
Oh no,
We might have a chance.
Oh, they're yeah, probably. I like
Hey.
more area on you than the product.
Whatever.
Oh.
What? I want anything to do today? Let's get back to work.
Get up, old man.
I'm moving, I can't.
Pretty good. I think it's the best I'm gonna get it.
Whoa, stop. I need to get the lime and seed beard oil for the beer contest.
Okay, well, lock up.
Where's lime and seed oil? I need this, come on. Beer contest, I need to get this oil. Here we go. Here it is, this is exactly what I need.
But when you're going to do the live and everything else, I...
Oh my god! Oh my god, Nash! Nash, give me your phone, I have to call the police! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No, no, I have mine! I have mine! Oh my god! Oh my god! Well, I need a number. I don't have my coworkers just laying there dead! 54 GM Access Road. No, put me on hold. Okay. Nash, they're putting me on hold until an officer arrives.
I think we can solve this. The murder is still around.
Are you freaking kidding me? Our coworker is laying there dead. We have professionals coming to take care of it, and you want to solve it like it's Scooby-Doo.
I trust the cops too, but definitely if that was you, then trying to do the same.
Okay.
Just give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay, all right, 5 minutes, that's it. All right, hopefully they get here before then, but let's just play along. Let's just do it.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna need your help. Let's see who murdered Charlie.
You're getting